So Rob Evans, a well-known Gqeberha businessman, is back in the Humansdorp Regional Court as his bail application enters its third day. Evans is accused of murdering Vanessa van Rensburg, whose body was found in his Oyster Bay holiday home on Easter Sunday. The two were in a relationship which started while Evans was still married. Today, Evans continued giving reasons why he should be granted bail, including claims that van Rensburg was already unwell before her death. Newzroom Afrika's Sipha Kema has more.
The Humansdorp Regional Court in the Eastern Cape heard that Vanessa van Rensburg and Rob Evans were having an affair while he was still married. The relationship continued after Evans moved out in 2023. On the stand on Tuesday, Evans claims that Vanessa had been ill before their trip to Oyster Bay, saying she had respiratory issues.
Was she suffering from any illnesses that you were aware of?
Illnesses, not that I'm aware of.
On the weekend of the Oyster Bay incident, was she sick during that period?
For the 2 weeks leading up to us going to Oyster Bay, she was very sick. She was coughing terribly. She was complaining about her lungs being so sore.
Evans also says that van Rensburg complained of rib pain before the trip, something he claimed came from playing with her children. He said she dismissed medical attention.
On the way home, she complained bitterly about her ribs being so sore, and she said she'd been play wrestling with her children. On the Saturday morning when we woke up, we were getting ready to pack to go to Oyster Bay, and she was saying that her ribs felt like they were fractured or torn or something. She was saying there's definitely something wrong with them.
The state took its turn to cross-examine Evans, questioning claims that his business would collapse if he remained in custody. Prosecutor Gqeberha said his affidavit misled the court.
What I'm saying to you, sir, is with what you've said now, in the questions I'm asking, it's not the same as that's contained in this affidavit. The reason I say that is because, as you've explained how the business works, there's no lease negotiation in tenant. That's not correct. In fact, Algoa Plastics utilizes all these other properties. You yourself said that it's not that much work, my brother can do it. So this, what I'm saying to you is this paragraph in your statement is misleading.
Evans eventually admitted that his brother would run the business in his absence, saying it was a mistake his lawyer was meant to fix.
So a default on outstanding loans risking asset forfeiture, that's also not the truth.
Well, as I say, if you say it's not the truth, it's not the truth. But I say if Algoa Plastics hasn't got money to pay the bond statement for Gqeberha, then the bond's not going to be paid. That's what I'm saying. But I agree with you, it's a different business.
The state will continue its cross-examination of Evans when court resumes on Wednesday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Sipha Kema at the Humansdorp Regional Court.